Hi, my name is Fraser, and here at Fistral we've developed a set of short videos that build upon each other to deliver you an introduction to the basics of project management. They're 4 to 6 minute animations, not just talking heads, and we've decided to call these Espresso sessions because they're designed to give you an intense shot of learning. These first sessions are aimed predominantly at PhD and early career researchers. But although I'm going to contextualise the learning within that environment, the tools and techniques we're going to talk about are actually fairly generic, so they can be applied in whatever environment you may work in. So I'd encourage everybody to take a look.
We know this because at Fistral we've worked in many different organisations all over the world in many different sectors. And all of the instructors that work with Fistral are not primarily trainers. We all work actively in the area which we teach. For example, I'm really a project manager. I work with a lot of universities and research institutes helping with their projects, and I've chosen what I consider to be the most important tools and ideas that I use when helping to run research projects. So all the things that we talk about during these sessions, we genuinely use in real life, and we're sharing with you the ones that we find personally most useful. So just as an introduction, the Project Management Institute defines a project as a temporary endeavour undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. So if we translate that, temporary means it doesn't go on forever. It has an end date or a deadline. And unique, it's never been done before. This is actually the definition of almost all the work that we're ever involved in. Doing new stuff to deadlines. It could be writing a report for the boss by next Friday. It's a new report. It has a deadline. It's a project. Submit an abstract for a paper by a particular date. Something new to a deadline is a project. A PhD. I have to submit a thesis. It has to be a unique contribution and it can't go on forever. It's a project. Using this definition, almost all the work we're involved in now and will be for the remainder of our careers is project work. And if we have an element of control over that, then we're project managers. For this reason, I think it's one of the most transferable skills you can have. So don't be put off by buzzwords. We're all project managers because we're doing new things to deadlines. I hope that the techniques we take you through will help you to manage your own workload more effectively. But you can also use many of these techniques to begin to manage upwards, i.e. manage your supervisor or manage your boss. Regardless, I hope that you find these sessions useful and interesting. I'd suggest that the first time you go through them, you do them in order as they build on each other. However, if you've been on one of our training events or have some project management experience already, then they can be used as standalone Espresso reminders. And we're also offering webinars as well as our popular face-to-face courses, so visit the website for more information.
Please feel free to share this link with your network, your students, your colleagues, your friends, and it'd be great to hear from you. So get in touch, leave feedback, visit the website or tweet me. In the meantime, enjoy.